All the lights of London are far behind. The thoughts of homeland are crowding my mind. Familiar places come into view. I see my home now, soon I'll see you. We talk to the old folk, how they're getting on, and treat them to late nights, and sing a few songs, and talk out the neighbors, life in the town. There's so much to tell them, the days fly around. As this sails my homeland, the place I was born in, no matter where I roam, it's in my soul. As my feet may wander 1,000 places, my heart it will lead me back home to my Donegal. And then tomorrow I'll take a walk down to St. Mary's, to a sheltered spot. We'll leave and pray there for the ones that are gone, and hope that they're proud of their wandering son. As it sails my homeland, the place I was born in, no matter where I roam, well, it's in my soul. As my feet may wander 1,000 places, my heart it will lead me back home to my Donegal. This time I'm gonna ask you all to do me a favor. If you've got a mobile phone that's got a light on it, I'd love to see you get it out. Maybe stick the light on for us. And we want to see if you can stick it up in the air. Come on. We want to see all those lights in the room swaying from side to side. Come on. Oh, that's the one, Yuri. And if you know the lyrics to this song, which I'm sure a lot of you do, I'd love you to sing along. 'Cause this is my homeland, the place I was born in, no matter where I roam, it's in my soul. My feet may wander 1,000 places, but my heart will lead me back home to my Donegal.